So hello and good evening my dear friends. I hope you all are fantastic there. So again I have come up with the second approach to solve the problem of how we can directly find the middle element of a linked list. Before directly dashing into my solution, I will definitely suggest you please solve this particular problem with different dimensions. Think about out of the box, I guess it. So the second solution is logic. So this is a simple logic, I guess it. Using two pointers simultaneously at the same time, we can solve this particular problem. Now there are certain steps also in the way it has to be followed. So the first step is we have to traverse the whole linked list by using two different pointers, in which we have to move the one of the pointer at twice the speed of the another one. So in that particular fashion, we have two pointers pointing to the first element, and then we are traversing the whole linked list with one of the pointers having twice the speed of the another one. So what we are getting here is that when the first pointer reaches the end of the linked list, then eventually the second pointer at the same time is pointing to the middle node, which we are required to find here. So with that particular fashion, we are solving this particular problem in a single scan, in a single go. So that's quite a bit obviously that's something which is quite a bit new as well as quite a bit stunning at the same time. Now talking about the complexity of this program, time complexity is ON, and big O of n is the only time complexity. Previously big O of 3n by 2 it was there, but this time it's big O of n. And talking about the space complexity is big O of 1, because we are not taking any other extra spaces to solve this particular problem. Now we are going to see about the examples. Now example number 1. So here we are taking odd number of nodes because 5 different nodes are present, so eventually this is coming under the odd number of nodes. So as I have talked about, firstly we are choosing two different pointer, fast and slow. So why I have chosen these two names is, fast I am just doubling the speed in the traversal, while slow will be going in the same fashion like first, second, third, fourth and fifth, while fast is double of the speed. So in the first, it's like head is pointing to the first element, fast, slow, all are pointing to the first element. Okay, after that slow is getting the traversal by one place, while fast is doubling the speed. Fast is getting traversing by double the speed. So here comes the fast, here comes the slow, and in this particular fashion the slow will be moving one step onwards while the fast is moving two steps onwards. So here what is eventually the terminating condition is that either fast is pointing to null or fast dot next is pointing to null. So here one of the condition is being satisfied, that is fast dot next is equals to null. So we have to stop this particular process of traversal, and this particular slow, the pointer will return the final answer. This is what we require here. Now talking about the even number of nodes, same thing, the process remains the same. So here also head is pointing to the 4 different nodes because even number of nodes we are considering, and fast and slow are pointing to the same first node. And eventually fast is moving twice the speed of slow. So when slow reaches this particular point, the second node, then fast will reach this particular point, the third node. So eventually after this step, like if we consider the last step, so here the slow is reaching here and at the third node, while fast is pointing to the null, and this is the terminating condition. So we have to stop at this particular moment, and slow, whatsoever the node is pointed by slow, that gives us the result. So it will return 30, and with that particular notion our question is being handled, and we have tried and we have tackled this particular problem. So I guess everyone got the clarity regarding this particular problem. If you have any doubts, please comment down below in the comment section. I'm just providing the code of this particular problem in Java in the description box below in my blog channels, and eventually if you like this particular video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to this particular channel, subscribe our channel, and if you like and this video, then do share it with your friends whosoever requires it. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, this is all from my part. Thanks a lot for hearing me. Thank you.